Oh yeah. Here we go. Let's go, baby. During the squid, babies are so cute. Time to get socks off. Gonna put them in the water. You gonna hold this stuff?
Sure. So this is the side. Got it. With this, so sorry if my camera taking skills are not the best. Oh my gosh! It's cold! Oh, he doesn't like it! Too cold! That was a sad face. We might have to... He's okay. Aww. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like that.